What's the meaning of belong? Belong. Belong.
Belong. Belong. The word belong is a verb that refers to the idea of something being a part of or attached to something else. It can be used to describe the relationship between a person and a group, an object and a larger system or structure, or even abstract ideas like emotions and values. When something belongs to a certain category or group, it is considered a member of that group. This can be seen in phrases like, "This book belongs in the library," or "I belong to a running club." The concept of belonging is important for human connection and identity, as it helps to create a sense of community and shared understanding.